Second question, write first four terms of the AP when first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. They are saying that they have given the first term value and the common difference value, and you should write the first four terms. We know that from general form of AP, first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, and fourth term is A plus 3D. For the first one, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. This can also be written as first term A, second term A plus D, third term is A2 plus D, and fourth term is A3 plus D. Everything will be same. Okay, so this A plus 2D can be written as D plus D, A plus D is A2 plus D, and similarly A plus 3D can be written as A plus 2D plus D. A plus 2D will be A3 plus D. So this form will be very easier to write the four terms of AP when A is given and D is given. So for the first question, A is 10, second term is 10 plus 10, 20, again 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. For the second question, A is minus 2, A plus D, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, A2 plus D, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, A3 plus D, A3 is minus 2 plus 0 is again minus 2. Next, third question, A is 4, A plus D, A 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, again 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 5. Next, question number 4, A is minus 1, A plus D, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. You can take the LCM and solve it. Next, third term, minus 1 by 2, that is A2 plus D, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 0. Fourth term, 0, A3 value 0 plus D, D value is 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So for the fourth question, the AP is minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Fifth one, A is minus 1.25, D is minus 0.25. First term minus 1.25, second term A2 is equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.25, it will be minus 1.5 because both are negative, minus negative, 1.25 plus 0.25 is 1.5. Next, A3 is equal to minus 1.5 minus 0.5, 0.25, that is minus 1.75. A4 is equal to minus 1.75 minus 0.25, it is minus 2.0. Third question, for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. So they have given the APs, you should identify what is the first term and what is the common difference. Here first term is 3, common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, 1 minus 3 is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. For the second question, A is minus 5, D is equal to second term minus of minus 5, that is first term, minus 1 as it is, minus into minus plus 5, minus 1 plus 5 is 4, because to find out the common difference we will take second term minus first term. Second term is minus 1 minus bracket minus 5, because the first term is negative here. In the third problem, A is equal to 1 by 3, D is equal to 5 divided by 3 second term minus first term 1 by 3. LCM is 3, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 3. Fourth one, A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to second term minus 1.7 minus first term 0.6. 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. Next, question number 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Here they have given some list of numbers. You should identify which of them are APs, and if they are AP, then find out the common difference and write 3 more terms. First one, A is equal to 2, D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 value is 4 minus A1 value is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 value is 8 minus A2 value is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Next, difference between fourth term and third term, A4 minus A3. A4 is 16 minus A3 is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. You can clearly see that these differences are not same. Therefore, this list of number is not an AP. Second sub question, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So in this, A is equal to 2, D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 value is 5 by 2 minus A1 value is 2. LCM is 2, 5 minus 2 to the 4. This is 1 by 2. Again, difference between A3 and A2. A3 is 3 minus A2 is 5 by 2. LCM is 2, 2 3 is 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. Difference between fourth term and third term. Fourth term is 7 divided by 2 minus third term is 3. LCM is 2 here, 7 minus 3 to the 6. It is 1 by 2. It is clear that the difference between the consecutive two terms, it is same for the given list of numbers. Therefore, this is an AP. They are saying that in the question, if the list of number is forming the AP, then you should write further 3 terms. So here we have up to A4. A5 will be A4 plus D. A4 is 7 divided by 2 plus D value 1 by 2. 2 LCM 7 plus 1, that is 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. A6 equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 4 plus D is 1 by 2. LCM 2, 4 to the 8 plus 1, that is 9 divided by 2. Next, A7, A6 plus D. 9 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. LCM 2, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5. Therefore, the next 3 numbers for the given AP are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Please do comment your feedback so that if you suggest any changes, I can adopt in my teaching videos. Now consider third question, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So here a is equal to minus 1.2. Find the difference between second and first term, a2 minus a1. a2 is minus 3.2 minus, according to the formula, a1 is minus 1.2. This is equals to minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2, minus 3.2 plus 1.2, it is minus 2. Next, d is equal to a3 minus a2, difference between third term and second term. Third term is minus 5.2 minus second term is minus 3.2, minus 5.2 minus into minus plus 3.2. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is again minus 2. D is equal to a4 minus a3, difference between fourth term and third term. Fourth term is minus 7.2 minus 5.2. This is equal to minus 7.2 minus into minus is plus 5.2. Minus 7.2 plus 5.2 is again minus 2. So you can clearly see that the common difference is same between the second and first term, third and second term, and fourth and third term. Therefore, the given list forms an AP. Hence, find out the remaining three terms. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is minus 7.2 plus D value is minus 2. Minus 7.2 plus into minus minus, so this equals to minus 9.2. Next, A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is minus 9.2 plus D is minus 2. So this is minus 9.2 plus into minus minus 2. 9.2 plus 2, again it is minus 11.2. Next, A7, A6 plus D, minus 11.2 plus minus 2, minus 11.2 plus into minus minus 2, that is minus 13.2. So these are the three next numbers for the given AP. Subquestion 4, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, and so on. So for this one, A is equal to minus 10, difference between second and first term, A2 minus A1, minus 6 minus minus 10. Minus 6 minus of minus is plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10 is 4. Next, difference between third term and second term, A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2 minus A2 is minus 6. Minus 2 minus into minus plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Next, difference between fourth term and third term, A4 is 2 minus A3 is minus 2. 2 minus into minus plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So you can see that in the difference between second term, first term, third term, second term, and fourth term, third term are same. Therefore, the given list forms an AP. Hence, we need to find out A5, A6, A7. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is 2, difference is 4. 2 plus 4, 6. A6 equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 6, D is 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Next A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 is 10 plus D value is 4, so it is 14. Sub question 5. 3 comma 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Here A is equal to 3, D is equal to A2 minus A1. 3 plus root 2 minus 3, because A plus root 2 is second term and 3 is first term. 3 minus 3, 0, remains square root 2. Next, difference between third and second term, A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus second term 3 plus square root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 3 minus 3, 0, 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here we have 2 square root 2, here only 1 square root 2. So root 2 common, 2 minus 1 is 1, so answer is square root 2. Next, difference between fourth term and third term, A4 minus A3. A4 is 3 plus 3 square root 2, here it is, minus third term 3 plus 2 square root 2. 3 plus 3 square root 2 minus 3 minus 2 square root 2, because minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 2. Root 2 common, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 square root 2 is square root 2. So here common difference is same. Therefore, the given list of numbers form an AP. Hence, we need to find out next 3 terms, that is A5, A6, A7. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D value square root 2. So this equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2, that is 4 root 2. Next, A6, A5 plus D. 3 plus 4 root 2 plus square root 2. This is 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 5 square root 2. Next, A7, A6 plus D. 3 plus 5 square root 2 plus square root 2. This is 3 plus 6 square root 2. Sixth sub question, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. A is equal to 0.2. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 0.22 minus 0.2. This is 0.02. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. So answer will be 0.002. Next, D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 0.2222 minus 0.222. So answer is 0.0002. You can clearly see that these numbers or these differences are not same. Therefore, the given sequence of numbers not forming AP. Sub question number 7. 0, comma, minus 4, comma, minus 8, comma, minus 12. A is equal to 0. D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is minus 4 minus 0, which equals to minus 4. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 value minus 8 minus A2 minus 4. Minus 8 minus into minus is plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 12 minus A3 is minus 8. Minus 12 minus into minus plus 8. Minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. Therefore, the given sequence of numbers forming AP, hence we have to find out A5, A6 and A7. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 value is minus 12, D value minus 4, so it is minus 16. A6 is equal to A5 plus D minus 16 minus 4, this is equals to minus 20. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 is minus 20 minus 4, which is minus 24. Sub question 8, minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2. This is very interesting. All the terms are same. So A is equal to minus 1 by 2. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2. So this is equals to minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 1 by 2 minus A2 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. It is 0. D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 1 by 2 minus A3 is again minus 1 by 2. Same, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Common differences are same, therefore the given sequence of numbers is forming AP. Therefore A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is minus 1 by 2 plus D value is 0, that is minus 1 by 2. Next, A6 is equal to A5 plus D minus 1 by 2 plus 0, again it is minus 1 by 2. A7 is equal to A6 plus D equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0, again it is minus 1 divided by 2. Sub question 9, 1 comma 3 comma 9 comma 27. A is equal to 1, D is equal to A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is 9, A2 is 3, which is 6. D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 27 minus A3 is 9. 27 minus 9 is 18. So the difference between consequence numbers are not same, therefore this is not AP. Sub question number 10, A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A. First term A is equal to A. Common difference between second term and first term 2A minus A, which is A. Common difference between third term and second term, A3 is 3A minus A2 is 2A. 3A minus 2A is A. Common difference between fourth term and third term, A4 is 4A minus A3 is 3A. 4A minus 3A is A. So you can see the common differences are same, therefore given sequence of numbers or list of numbers is forming AP. Therefore, A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is 4A plus D, it is A. 4A plus A is 5A. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 5A plus D value A. 5A plus A is 6A. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 is 6A plus D value A. 6A plus A is 7A. Sub question number 11. A comma A square comma A cube comma A power 4 dot dot dot. First term is A. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is A square minus A1 is A. Again D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is A cube minus A2 is A square. Then D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is A power 4 minus A3 is A cube. Clearly these differences are not same, therefore given sequence is not in AP. Subproblem number 12. This is very interesting. Square root 2 comma square root 8 comma square root 18 comma square root 32. So these numbers can be rearranged and rewritten as square root 2. Square root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Square root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Square root 32 can be written as 16 into 2. Square root 2 as it is. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root 2 remains. Square root of 3 is, square root of 9 is 3. Square root 2 remains. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root 2 remains. So here A is equal to square root 2. Common difference between second term and first term. 2 square root 2 minus square root 2. 2 square root 2 minus 1 square root 2. Answer is square root 2. And difference between A3 and A2. It is 3 square root 2 minus 2 square root 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 square root 2. Again D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 4 square root 2 minus A3 is 3 square root 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 square root 2. So it is clear that the difference between the consecutive terms are same. Therefore, given sequence of numbers form AP. Therefore, we need to find out the further three terms. A5 equal to A4 plus D. A4 is square root 4 square root 2 plus D is square root 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 square root 2. Then A6. A6 equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 5 square root 2 plus D is square root 2. 5 plus 1 is 6 square root 2. A7 equal to A6 plus D. 6 square root 2 plus root 2, which is 6 plus 1, 7 square root 2. Sub question number 13. Square root 3 comma square root 6 comma square root 9 comma square root 12. First term A is equal to square root 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is square root 6 minus square root 3. Next, difference between A3 and A2. Square root 9 minus square root 6. Difference between A4 and A3. A4 is square root 12 minus A3 is square root 9. You can see that these are not same. The difference between two consecutive numbers are different. Therefore, given sequence of number is not forming an AP. In the initial first appearance, this looks like same, but these values are not same. So question 14, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So this sequence of number can be written as 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49. Therefore, A is equal to 1. Difference between second term and first term, 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Difference between third term and second term, 25 minus 9, it is 16. Difference between fourth term and third term is 49 minus 25, so it is 24. These differences are not same. 8, 16, 24 all are different. Therefore, the given sequence of numbers, it is not forming an AP. Subquestion number 15, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73 and so on. 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49 and 73 and so on. First term is 1. The common difference between second term and first term is A2 minus A1. A2 is 25, A1 is 1, 25 minus 1 is 24. The difference between A3 and A2, A3 is 49, A2 is 25, so it is 24. The difference between A4 and A3, A4 is 73 minus 49, 73 minus 49, again it is 24. Here the difference between two consecutive numbers are same. Therefore, this sequence of number is forming AP. Hence, we need to find out A5, A6 and A7. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is 73 plus D value 24. It is 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 97 plus D is 24. 7 plus 4 is 11, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 9, 12. A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is 121 plus D value 24. 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. Therefore, the next three numbers are 97, 121 and 145. Do comment your feedback, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel.